So as part of our efforts to contain the spread of coronavirus, SIH is offering video visits, which are a fast, simple way to receive immediate treatment for a variety of common health issues through a live video feed. So rather than driving to your doctor's office or going to the emergency room, you can connect with your provider directly through your smartphone, tablet, laptop, computer in only minutes and be treated in the safety of your own home. So the first thing you'll need to do to complete the video visit is to download Cisco WebEx Meeting on the device you plan to complete the visit on. You can do this through the App Store. You search for and install Cisco WebEx Meeting app. So around the time of the appointment, the nurse will call you on your phone and they'll do the normal things they do if you were having a visit face-to-face. They'll go through the reason for your visit. They'll talk to you about your medications. They'll talk to you about any updates to your history and allergies. Prior to that, you will have received an email inviting you to join the meeting. So you'll start by finding your email and navigate to the email that invites you to join the meeting. And then you simply click on the button that says Join Meeting. To start with, there will be buttons at the bottom that show a red microphone and camera, and you need to tap on those to turn on the audio and video functions, and then join the meeting. Through a video visit, we are still able to provide individualized care to both new and established patients. Our top priority is keeping you and your families safe and healthy.